Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir. The Hindu editorial dictation daily. First article we have tempered optimism. This article related to coronavirus. देखिए क्या बोलता है ये टेम्पर्ड ऑप्टिमिज्म. ऑप्टिमिज्म का मीनिंग यहाँ पे होता है आशावादी और टेम्पर्ड का मीनिंग होता है यहाँ पे मतलब रिड्यूस करना. जो हमारी जैसे कोरोना वायरस की वैक्सीन आ गई है तो ऑप्टिमिज्म आशावादी मतलब ये जो हमारी आशा है वैक्सीन को लेकर वो धीरे धीरे वो कम हो जो हमारी डिजीज़ को लेकर है वो धीरे धीरे कम हो रही है कि ये हमारा डिजीज़ ख़त्म हो जाएगी. इवन दो इसके साथ डिक्लाइन इन्फेक्शन रेट यानी कि इन्फेक्शन जो रेट्स है डिक्लाइन मीनिंग यहाँ पे होता है कम मतलब कम हो रहा है. पब्लिक की जो एक्टिविटी है नीड्स ज़रूरत है टू बी गाइडेड बाय ए क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, इसने बोला है ऑथर ने बोला है कि पब्लिक एक्टिविटी को अभी भी पब्लिक की एक्टिविटी है उसको ज़रूरत है गाइडिंग की, जैसे मास्क पहनना 2 गज की दूरी रखना. दिस आर्टिकल रिलेटेड टू ऑप्टिमिज्म. ओके, इसकी हम शुरुआत करते हैं 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स. जो आगे आने वाले जो एग्ज़ाम हैं आपकी स्किल टेस्ट है उसमें काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रोल करेगा ये वर्ड्स. ओके, चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स. बी रेडी गाइज, स्टार्ट. द कोर्स ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस पेंडेमिक इन द न्यू ईयर प्रेजेंट्स ए पिक्चर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्ट with some rich countries running out of vaccines, experiencing a tide of new cases and deaths, and poorer countries going without access to vaccination, while India reports a case decline. Vaccine hesitancy may even be wasting precious vials in some states, amidst suggestions that the worst is over. The Home Ministry has proposed further relaxations in the protocols for public activity from February, including occupancy levels in cinema theaters, holding of exhibitions, and access to swimming pools. This will come as a relief to some of the outlying sectors that could not fully unlock so far, although, as the ministry points out, all other activities have been permitted. The January 27 guidelines for surveillance, containment, and caution also create a window for further relaxation of international air travel, but the DGCA has decided to maintain status quo on scheduled flights till February end. Full-fledged intercity rail services await a decision too. In an economy struggling with a demand contraction for goods and services, a graded opening is the prudent course with strict enforcement of public health measures. It would be wrong to read the MHA's unlock advisory without taking cognizance of the protocols that must continue to be followed. Use of face mask, healthy distancing, staggering of working hours, workplace sanitation, and firm action against spitting in public. These legal requirements, however, have been rendered moot in many instances by crowded election campaign agitations and gatherings. Many states are not even trying to persuade recalcitrant people in public. India's declining infections have promoted a further relaxation of activity curbs, but there is no cause to lower the vigil. Genetic mutations of the coronavirus in South Africa, the UK, and Brazil pose a new worry with implications for those who have avoided infections so far or have recovered after a difficult battle. Poor communication and lack of transparency on vaccine efficacy data have produced hesitancy, resulting in low uptake in some states. On the other hand, the virus variants have turned the spotlight on second generation vaccines that are expected to protect against them but will take time to arrive. Without ready pharmaceutical remedies, citizens and policymakers have to fall back on the default toolkit of safe behavior. There will be considerable interest in new measures in Europe, where governments now require use of masks of N95 or FFP2 standards to offer higher protection in public places and transport. Germany is to give these free to people over 60 and to vulnerable individuals. In India, even with a sizable population exposed to the virus, as seropositivity surveys show, the spate of infections in Kerala and Maharashtra underscores the value of the precautionary principle on the road to universal vaccination. Full stop. Word is 460 words, 100 word per minute. डिक्टेशन को आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए और हर एक जो न्यू वर्ड है उसमें आप हर एक से न्यू वर्ड की आप आउटलाइन बनाइए। आउटलाइन बनाने के बाद इसको दोबारा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। आर्टिकल की कम से कम आपको 4 या 5 टाइम्स तो प्रैक्टिस करनी ही करनी है। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।